SBS test kit includes 2 gas tanks of hydrogen gas, both 17 liter. The first gas is 1% hydrogen, 25% LEL, and the second container is 2% hydrogen gas, 50% LEL. Other things included in the test kit is the gas canister fitting for gas delivery, the tubing to safely deliver the gas to the sensor head. Get the 1% hydrogen gas, 25% LEL canister out of the box and connect it to the connector that's supplied within the gas. Securely fasten this onto the 1% hydrogen. Now this bottle is ready to test for 1% on the sensor. You'll connect the tubing onto the sensor and turn on the valve for 1 whole minute, all the way, to let the gas go all the way through. You'll see with the 1% gas that the sensor is detected, it's 1%, and you have the warning light that goes on, and the 1% relay with the fan exhaust has turned on. This will stay on until the gas is connected. And now that I take the gas off, turn the valve off, the sensor has reset to detect that there's no hydrogen gas and the fan has turned off. Now, testing with 2% gas, you see I have a 17-liter bottle here of 2% volume hydrogen gas, 50% LEL level provided with the test kit. When testing these gases, you want to make sure you use the hydrogen gas that's provided with this and not pure hydrogen when testing the sensors or a self-made kit. Again, I've attached here to the container the fixture that came in with the unit, and now I'll be attaching this to the sensor. Turn on this for about a minute and you'll see that the sensor goes off and the light's going. This is 2%. The light turned on and the fan turned on at 2% hydrogen level. And now since I've taken the gas off and it's recalibrated, everything's back to normal. The fan's turned off and the light has gone off as well.
Thank you for watching. Please visit us at sbsbattery.com or call 800-554-2243.